Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to tell you all about types of verb. There are two types of verb, finite verb and non-finite verb. In this video, I will cover what is finite verb. And then in the next video, I will cover what are the types of finite verb. So let's start with the definition of finite verb. A finite verb is the main verb in a sentence. That main verb changes its form when we change the number of the subject, whether it is given in singular or plural, whether the person is given in first person, second person, or third person, or whether the tense of the sentence is present tense, past tense, or future tense. So, on these three bases, number, person, and tenses, main verb changes its form. Okay, and that is called finite verb. So with the help of example, we will understand it in much more better way. So here we are seeing the examples. All the underlined words are finite verb. Okay. So these all finite verbs will change on basis of subjects, whether it is given singular or plural, or on basis of the person, like it is if the subjects he, she, we, you, these are given in which category, like in first person it comes in, or in second person, or in third person it comes in. On that basis these verbs will be changed, or on basis of tenses, like here in the brackets I have written what are the tenses of the sentences. So on that basis also these underlined finite verbs will be changed. Okay, so let's start with the example. One by one I will read the example and then tell that when in which tense it is given. Okay, so the first example is he reads book, वह किताब पढ़ता है. It is given in present tense, and reads is what? It is a finite verb. In the second sentence, it is given she completed the work yesterday. It is given in past tense as it is telling she completed the work yesterday. उसने अपना काम कल ख़त्म कर लिया था. तो this is given in past tense. ये past की बात बता रहा है कि उसने अपना काम कब ख़त्म कर लिया था, past में ही कर लिया था. तो it is past tense. But when we will change the tense from past to present or future, okay, then what will happen? When we will change the tense, then subject will also be changed. Huh? Subject will change, and when we change the tense, then finite verb will be changed. Okay, it will also be changed. Like if it is given in past, so it is completed, but when it will be in present tense, then completed will be converted into completes or complete. Okay, so once the tense will change, finite verb will also be changed. Okay, so the next example is we will travel to Paris next week. हम next week कहाँ के लिए travel करेंगे? Paris के लिए. So will it, this sentence is given in future tense. So when the tense will be changed, okay, when the tense will be changed, it is given in future. When it will be converted into, when it will be changed into present tense, then will not come. Okay, something else will come, but will not come, because it will be, because tense will be changed. Okay, so next sentence is she sings beautifully. वो अच्छा गाती है. So here it is also given in present tense, but she is what? Here we will not see example of tenses. Here we are seeing person, about person. The person is given she, and she comes in which category? First person, second person, or third person? She comes in third person. So she sings beautifully. वो अच्छा गाती है. So it is third person. So accordingly third person we have used finite verb sings. Okay. Now the next example is you have a beautiful voice. तुम्हारे पास एक बहुत ही अच्छी आवाज़ है. ठीक है. So this is given in which tense? This is also given in present tense. तुम्हारे पास बहुत ही अच्छी आवाज़ है. And here we are also showing what? Person. You. You is in which category? Which category it comes in? It comes in second person. You comes in second person. So you have a beautiful voice. So here when we will change the person, like from first person to second person and from second person to third person, when the subject will be changed, then we will change the finite verb also. It will also be changed. Okay. Now next example is, I am excited about the trip. मैं ट्रिप के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा उत्सुक हूँ, बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ. आई एम एक्साइटेड अबाउट द ट्रिप. So it is given in present tense. It is also given in present tense. And the subject is what? I. I is denoting what? I comes in what? It comes in first person. Okay. So it comes in first person. So accordingly that we have used the finite verb. Okay. So here accordingly subject we have used am. Now for those, it is, I have written this for those who are not aware, who are not knowing about first person, second person and third person. So in first person, I and we comes in first person. In second person, in category of second person, what comes? You. And in category of third person, here he, she, it and they comes. So I hope you have understood what are finite verbs. Now there are many more things that you all should know about finite verbs, like their types. What are the types when these all verbs will be categorized into different parts? Helping verb, what are the helping verbs, main verbs? Then you will know the topic in much more better way. So that I will be covering in the next video.